So in a pot, you're just going to add in some granulated sugar as well as some water, and then you're going to stir that until it becomes nice and combined. And this takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to keep stirring it until it becomes that beautiful caramel color, which takes about 10 minutes, and then add in some milk, stir it right away, and then set it aside in the fridge until you are ready for the next step. And you're going to want to make sure this reaches the desired thickness as well, otherwise you're going to be left with a little bit of a hot mess. So to make the ice cream base, you're going to get some coconut cream as well as some maple syrup. You can also use any other liquid sweetener of your choice. And then you're just going to blend that until it becomes nice and smooth. And then you're just going to pour it into a loaf pan or any pan of your choice. Add in the pecans, some chopped chocolate, as well as some caramel sauce that you can swirl in with a knife. And then you can freeze that for 3 to 5 hours and you are finished.